Looking for a dependable replacement mount for your EchoMap Ultra 102 SV or 106 SV? This bail mount and quick-release cradle offers a perfect fit, designed to match the original precisely. It's an ideal solution if you need to upgrade or add a second station without hassle. Crafted with care, this accessory includes the sturdy metal bracket, thumbscrews, and connector plate exactly as pictured. The package measures 906 cm by 25, 4 cm by 36, 83 cm and weighs just 656 kilograms, making it compact yet robust enough to secure your device firmly. One user from the United States shared their experience, praising it as an exact replacement for the original mount. They highlighted how everything needed came included, making installation straightforward and stress-free. Whether replacing a worn-out mount or setting up a new station, it fits seamlessly. What you get is peace of mind knowing your EchoMap Ultra stays securely in place during every trip. The quick-release cradle makes detaching your device effortless, saving time and reducing wear. It's a simple upgrade that improves your setup's convenience and reliability. If you're managing multiple stations or just need a backup mount, this product delivers consistent performance. Its precise design ensures compatibility, so you won't have to worry about loose fittings or missing parts. The metal bracket's durability means it can handle regular use without compromise. Worth a look if you value quality and ease of use in your boating accessories. This mount balances strength with quick-release functionality, making it a practical addition to your gear. It's a straightforward way to keep your EchoMap Ultra ready for action whenever you are. Try it when you're ready to replace your current mount or expand your setup. The package arrives complete and ready to install, cutting down on downtime. With this bail mount and quick-release cradle, your device stays secure, accessible, and protected on every journey.